Hello, beautiful viewers. This is the K-Popper Unboxer coming to you with another unboxing. Now we have finally Golden Hour Part 3. This is In Your Fantasy Edition. So we have the rest of the members' singles. So we have Son, Mingi, Wooyoung, and Jongho, my bias. So we finally have the rest of the group, at least in the singles. And then we have like an actual photo book in this version, but we'll get into that. So I have one copy from Target, one copy from Barnes & Noble, and these were really expensive, so I didn't get a third one. So we just have, this is what we have for today. So we're gonna start with the Target version. So just to compare it, these were the other two versions. So it's the same size, but these are very light compared to this. So the Target version has the squish version photo card, 1 out of 8. So the box is very similar to the other box. It feels a little bit more expensive, but just a little bit. It's not as nice as some of their other ones. Okay, so those are our photo cards. And as you can already tell, there's more than the last version, so. Here's the album. Well, the album's actually also has many more tracks, but we'll get into that. Okay, so it looks like we have a photo book. I already took out. So finally we have a photo book. At least it's a different photo shoot. That's a lot of glasses of wine. Jeez. Son. He's so pretty. So if you're watching this on July 11th, 2025, today is the actual release day, and I got these from Target and Barnes & Noble. The Barnes & Noble one is $30, which is insane, and the Target one was not far from that. I think it was $27 with their sale, and then the singles were cheap. Also, Target right now is doing buy 2 get 1 free on all the music and the books and movies. So if you're interested in buying multiple copies, that would be your route. I can only afford one. And of course there is 2 polka versions of this as well, and those were not released in any US stores except for K-pop stores and in stores like that. Okay, so as you can tell, we got, on the first album was only 5 tracks, but now we get 6 through 15. And I did have a chance to listen to all of it. My favorite is To Be Your Light, featuring my bias. They're all really good. I love the bridge section that kind of transfers us into this these additional tracks. Obviously, Lemon Drop was the title track from the first set that came out last month. And then from In Your Fantasy on are new tracks. Oh, and there seems to be some kind of, maybe this is like the diary version. Yes, because then here's more. So that's kind of cool that they kept that going. They should get a little bit more money, things for your money. Okay, so photo book. Then you get a bunch of really, really folded posters. So there's this one. This one. Everybody looks so good. Okay, and then you get a random Polaroid, and we got Sonny. So cute. Then you get a bunch of photo cards. Okay. So this is actually a card cover. Okay, and then the credit card cover we got was Wooyoung. So you're supposed to put this on your credit card, and that's like where the little chip goes. All right, so then we get 3 photo cards in addition to those things. We get the cheek heart card, the cheek card, and the squish version. Squish version is the Target version. Okay, so we're gonna do the squish, I'm sorry, we'll do the, the cheek heart version first. So we got Yunho. So then the cheek version, we got Yunho again. We got a Yunho set. Good, because I can sell them like that. And then for the Target squish version, we got Sonny with, so they're holding this little squish thing. It looks like a chicken. I'm assuming it's a chicken. To me, it just looks like a yellow ball with a white red nose. So anyway, Son looks gorgeous. Just so you know, I have a Mercari store, so if you're interested, most of these cards will be in my Mercari store probably this weekend. It's the same name as my channel, K-Popper Unboxer. Just type that into Mercari and you should find me real quick. Okay, so those were our pools. And now we're gonna look at the Barnes & Noble version. They have the exclusive of the Heartbeat. Heartbeat version. So I think everything else should be the same. So it's those same 2 posters, the same CD, except this one's off the tray, and the same photo book. Awesome. Okay. Well, at least you get a little bit more with this than the other one. Okay. So let's do the Polaroid first. Okay, random Polaroid. We have Hongjoong, leader. Okay, and then, wait, we have, oh, this is the, okay. We do the sticker next. So this is the card sticker. You put it over your credit card. And we got Seonghwa. So you can sort of see the little space you're supposed to peel. Well, no, wait, hold on. You're supposed to peel that out so you can put your chip there. Okay, so Seonghwa. Then we get the photo cards. We get the Barnes & Noble version, which is called Heartbeat, hence the stethoscope. The cheek version again, and then the cheek heart version. So that's the order we'll go in. Okay, for the cheek heart version, we got Mingi. And for the cheek version, we got Mingi. We got a Mingi set. Look at that. And for the Heartbeat version, we got leader Hongjoong. So we got Hongjoong set here. So for all their cards, let's look at all of our pools. For these two versions, we got Sonny and Hongjoong. For the cheek versions, which is this one, and then the two Target Barnes & Noble, then the cheek heart versions, and then the two. Okay, so those are our pools. Let's do our singles now. So the singles don't have any photo cards. Just the single with their picture on it, the out box, and then the disc. Which is why they're $3.99. I don't know why we needed these without any inclusions, but here we are. I do like the discs though. The discs are pretty hot. So of course, Sonny. Mingi. And there's like nothing on the back, but I'll show you. Okay. Wooyoung. Ooh, that photo is hot. Damn. He looks good this era. And then my baby. Jongho with the voice of gold. Ooh. Sexy. Okay, so those were our our 4 singles with this one. Just to remind you what the other ones look like. So we can have them all together now. So the boys are all together. Okay, and then we'll just put some of these cards around that we just got in this one. Most of the cards I got in the other version are sold already. And then just so you don't forget, this is the In Your Fantasy version. Okay, so that was all for this unboxing. Make sure you like this video, help me out. Comment down below if you just want to say hey, tell me who your favorite member is, your bias, if you will. I know Ateez is currently on tour doing shows and stuff like that, so make sure you check them out. Make sure you listen to this full album. It is 14 tracks. It's in addition to this one. Make sure you find your bias and pick your versions. These two are really cute. Okay, anyway, make sure you take care of yourselves, take care of others, and I'll see you in the next unboxing. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye. Seriously, push the subscribe button.